Hello, I am Rupa Biswas. I am Application Manager at GE Healthcare. Today I will be introducing you the Lullaby Warmer, the various features and its benefit. The Infant Radiant Warmer provides infrared heat to the babies who are unable to maintain their thermoregulation due to their own physiology. The warmer helps in transition of the baby from the internal environment of the mother to the external environment. Now I will describe the feature of Lullaby Warmer. The Lullaby Warmer uses Calorod's heater element. This heater element generates far infrared heat which is easily absorbed by the cornea and it doesn't affect the retina. We provide lifetime warranty on the Calorod heater. The Lullaby Warmer parabolic reflector helps in focusing the heat towards the mattress surface area and the bedside panels, which minimizes the radiant heat loss from the baby. The average irradiance across the mattress area is greater than 26 milliwatts per centimeter square. The Lullaby Warmer is enabled with 3 heating zones, center and 2 side walls. It reduces the heat loss when the baby touches the walls. Fast warm-up and uniform heat distribution across the bed helps in preparing the bed ready for the baby in just 4 minutes. The Lullaby Warmer uses 60% less power during the startup and 20% less power on continuous usage, saving electricity cost significantly. The Lullaby Warmer uses thermally sealed mattress. This is radiolucent in nature. There is no seepage and soakage of fluids inside the mattress, preventing infection. The Lullaby Warmer uses reusable temperature probe which is made up of Kevlar material. This material is used to prepare bulletproof vests. The integrated slide out X-ray tray helps in minimizing negative touch to the baby during an X-ray. The specific markings on the X-ray tray prevents retakes during an X-ray. The Lullaby heater head can be rotated 90 degrees. The heater gets cut off once the heater head is rotated. It is easier to take an X-ray now. The Lullaby Warmer has intuitive LED panel. It displays the baby temperature, the set temperature, the modes, the APGAR timer, alarm panel, examination lamp, the on and off switch and the probe guard. The Lullaby Warmer has 2 modes. One is the manual mode, the second one is the baby mode. The manual mode heater output is displayed in 5% of increment. This gives precise control over the air temperature. The baby mode is used for monitoring the baby for a longer duration of time. The safety feature in Lullaby Warmer ensures that if baby temperature measures less than 30 degrees Celsius for more than 12 minutes or if the heater output level stays at 100% for greater than 12 minutes, baby alarm will sound and the heater cuts off in the baby mode. Please place the temperature probe on the skin surface facing the radiant heater and never underneath the baby. Please use appropriate reflecting patch. The optional item of Lullaby Warmer are the IV pole, the monitor tray and the patient utility pole. The Lullaby Warmer is easy to clean. The glass is made up of biocompatible material which prevents microorganism growth. The walls can be easily removed and cleaned, followed by the thermally sealed mattress, the plexiglass and the X-ray tray. The Lullaby Warmer can be tilted plus and minus 15 degrees, that is Tendelberg position and the reverse Tendelberg position. Lullaby Warmer is FDA cleared.